Today I'm going to show you how to make super spicy popcorn. So what I've got here, you can use a pot. I'm using the West Bend Stir Crazy instead. And I've got some hot peppers going around in the oil. What's at work here? Wow, it's strong. I'm trying to get all the hot juice and the oil out of the seeds and all of that infused into my oil. And then when I pop the corn in that oil, even the popcorn itself will be hot. Plus you can run into some of these spicy pepper pieces as well. Next step. Add popcorn. I like the flavor of the white corn better than the yellow. The yellow tastes like animal feed to me, so my kids like it because it pops big. So I mix it 50-50 and we meet in the middle. I use corn oil just because I think corn oil tastes better. Plus, if you use canola oil or olive oil to pop your corn, one thing happens, it has a low scorching point. So what can happen is you can catch your oil on fire and, patina the bottom of your pan, which I don't like. So that's why I use corn oil or avocado oil to pop corn. So I'm going to add a little bit of butter, and then we're going to watch this thing. All right, here's what this looks like. Nice. So we got some fried jalapenos. These are Serranos. And guess what? My popcorn is super hot too. So try this sometime. I use a lot of cayenne pepper in my house, and I buy it in the big, but then you end up with all kinds of powder all over your hands. So try this, see if you like it, and yeah, leave me some feedback on how that goes. All I have to do now is put salt on it to taste, and then we're good.